This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Scott Fogel. See Virtual Tour plus 360-degree photos. Beautifully renovated pool home, immaculate and move-in ready. Featured improvements include full kitchen renovation with full suite of white shaker cabinetry and select decorative glass uppers, Cambria quartz countertops, and all stainless appliances and fixtures. Full primary bath renovation, goes with everything. Grayish tile flooring and fresh paint throughout. Roof, 2021, saltwater pool conversion and 2020, pool heater, and newer GE washer and dryer, 2022. Private lanai with abundant covered space and room to enjoy the sunny saltwater pool has been completely rescreened with new super screen, and rests beside large private backyard with grassy pet or play area. Shows like a model. Pelican Landing includes a 34-acre private island beach club, Gulf access boat ramp, sailing and kayaking, 12 hard true tennis courts, fitness center, bocce, pickleball, and numerous activities. Optional memberships available at the Nest, 36 holes of championship golf with 2020 renovated clubhouse. For more information, review the details below.